Good evening, I'm Liyana Hassanel and you're watching Bizworld. Bank Negara has reached the end of its hiking cycle and will leave the overnight policy rate OPR at 3% for the rest of the year. According to BMI, Bank Negara would increasingly turn its focus to supporting growth over the coming months as inflation continues to moderate domestically. The brokerage firm, which is a unit of credit rating agency Fitch Solutions, also expects the central bank to leave its policy rate on hold at its next meeting in July for two reasons. The first being the headline inflation continuing to ease 3.4% year-on-year in March from 3.7% in February, marking the slowest pace in 9 months. The firm noted that inflation would continue to moderate in the coming months due to base effects and softer commodity prices. Secondly, the BMI expects the ringgit to continue range trading over the coming months, which means currency volatility would not pose a major concern for the central bank. Bursa Malaysia is on track to achieve 20 initial public offerings, IPOs, by the first half of this year. This after the successful listing of 10 companies in the first quarter, which has doubled the figure from last year's.
In the first half year, we will see in total about 20, or at least 18 to 20 companies. Most of these are actually from the ACE market, whereas there's been a few from the lead market, whereas the main market by the end of the first half, if I'm not mistaken, we will have about 4.
Azhar added that the recent lead market transfer framework will facilitate greater market access to more established small and medium enterprises. It will also give more clarity for companies on how they can graduate from the leap to the ACE and onto the main market. Prior to the framework, the exchange saw 2 companies which had to be delisted from the leap market before entering the ACE market. However, it has already seen 6 leap market listed companies with potential to graduate to the ACE market. Meanwhile, analysts turned less sanguine on stock market comparator Bursa Malaysia following its first quarter results, with several rating the stock as a hold. The stock exchange's net profit for the first quarter, which ended on March 31st, 2023, fell by 17.35% to 56.17 million ringgit. This was compared with 67.97 million ringgit for the same quarter last year due to the lower securities market operating revenue. According to CGS-CIMB, Bursa's net profit was below expectations at 23.5% of its full-year forecast. Hong Leong Investment Bank Research also maintained its hold call. However, the slower average daily trading value would be offset by a decline in average daily contracts and higher operational expenditure, yielding an overall balanced risk-to-reward profile. Malaysia Bunkering Association (MBA) and Malaysia Ship Owners Association (MASA) have inked a memorandum of understanding to promote local vessels among foreign shipping companies. This would help contain the outflow of funds and address illegal activities in the bunkering and shipping scene.
Artinya cappuccino effect dalam industri bunkering yang menjadi satu persoalan dan isu integriti. Maksudnya ada penipuan dari segi kuantiti minyak yang diberikan kepada syarikat-syarikat perkapalan ini. Jadi perkara seperti ini kita mesti noktakan. Kita mesti berikan keyakinan kepada dunia luar, kepada syarikat-syarikat perkapalan antarabangsa.
The MOU, MBA and MASA will share information about their registered members upon request, as well as share the latest news or regulations pertaining to the Malaysian Marine and the International Maritime Organization. They will also work with relevant authorities to avoid any redundancies in their pursuit of improvement for the shipping and maritime industries. That's all the time we have for Bizworld this time around. I'm Liyana Hassanel. Thank you for investing your time with us and keep tuning in to TV3.